We spent enough time in here. Yeah, now this rest area is almost empty in here. But yeah, we've had us a really good night's sleep, and now it's time to put the hammer down. Yes, indeed it is. We got us 205 miles to go until we get to our customer where we pick up our load, our empty trailer I meant, and then we got another 100 miles to go till we get to the customer where I actually do pick up my load. So yeah, looks like it's another gorgeous morning here this morning, and we are just bobtailing. Yeah, that's right. So we appreciate you guys tuning in again. So let's make this day happen. We got a long day ahead of us. We got to get all the way up to this customer to pick up this empty trailer. 200 miles. That's going to be about 200 miles there. 205, right? 100 miles down to Hazleton. Do our trailer switch. And then we got about 360 miles from there to Toronto. Now the saving grace is going to be that once I cross into Canada, I get the additional extra 2 hours, right? So that's what's going to be saving us. That way we can actually make it back into Toronto and drop our trailer there before midnight. We should be back in Toronto. So that's that was a successful day, guys. Appreciate you guys tuning in. Here we are, guys. We gotta run back roads here, the last little stretch, I guess. It's got still 100 miles remaining to go, but we gotta do back roads, and the sign up here says no trucks in the left lane, or left lane no trucks, or whatever. So I'm stuck behind these other trucks that are going slow right now, but oh well, that's how it goes sometimes. But anyways, we're making good time. We already got 2 hours worth of driving behind us. And now we only have another 100 miles basically, and we'll be at our place where we pick up our trailer, and then
in a quarter mile, keep to the right on North Adair Drive, US 15.
And then we'll head over to Hazleton. I had to come to a quick stop here. This light was changing on me. And, oh well. When you're bobtailing, it's kind of, I don't know, I want to slide you a little bit because you got no weights on the wheels, right? You gotta be careful. I can smell my tires. Oh well, anyways, pick up our empty trailer here, and then head on to Hazleton, get our load. All our border crossings and all that already has been set up, so I'll be good to go across the border. I won't have to worry about the border crossing. So anyways, let's get on down through here and see what else we can show you today. Here we go, guys. We are now getting very close to our pickup for our trailer. Yes, indeed. And I remember I have been here before. I really have. So I'm kind of surprised on why I'm having to pick up a trailer out of here, but maybe they just have too many. It's a very good possibility, but anyways, we're only 3.5 miles away from getting to our customer here, and then we'll be picking up our empty trailer here and head over to Hazleton and do all that fun stuff. Yep, that's right. So let's go down there and get our empty and make our way down to Hazleton, guys. This is it, guys. We have now officially picked up our empty trailer here in York, PA. Now it's time to make our way to Hazleton. It's actually a little bit more than 100 miles. It's 117 miles right now.
road for 5 miles.
Yeah, we gotta take the I-83 north for a little bit, and then we take the 81 the rest of the way to
Speed warning.
Hazleton. So yeah. Anyways, it looks like we might be getting some rain here in a little bit. That's what it kind of looks like. I hope not, but hey, whatever, doesn't matter. I didn't get a truck wash, so who cares? That's how it goes. Let's make our way to Hazleton. Should be there in about 2 hours, I would say. And I'll have probably enough time to go do my trailer switch and then go over to the truck stop, and then probably take my half an hour break, or I'll even do it there right at the customer. I'll see exactly how I'm going to do it, but yeah, we'll have to take our half an hour break somewhere yet, and then make our way to Toronto. Yeah, we got a long ways to go. We'll be a late night drive, but hey, whatever, that's okay. We'll make it happen, right? We can do it. That's right. All right, guys, it was a long night, that's for sure. Now it's the next morning. We're getting ready to close off our show here. Yes, indeed. Yeah, I had to work super hard to get it to Toronto here last night. Yes, indeed I did. But we did it. We did it. I am very proud of myself. We got here about what was it, close to 1 o'clock here, about 12:38 or something like that. We pulled into the yard. They wanted it to be here at 12, but yeah, that didn't happen, but whatever. I looked and see where the load was delivering and all that stuff, and was only about half an hour drive for the guy, so it only needed to be delivered at 3, so he still has plenty of time to do that. So anyways, I appreciate you guys watching our little vlog here today, and we'll look forward to seeing you back here again tomorrow. So with that being said, I appreciate you guys watching, and we'll see you tomorrow. Have a great day, everybody.